Other leaked specifications for the rumored Sony A7C include a single SD card slot, USB-C and camera battery charging, onboard Wi-Fi, and inbuilt mic and headphone jacks. Sony is reportedly cashing in on the vlogging market with a new lineup, potentially providing its fans with alternatives to its recently launched. Sony's imaging department is seemingly keeping very busy, if the latest reports are to be believed. According to Sony Alpha Rumors, a reliable source for Sony camera news, the company has a brand new range of full-frame mirrorless cameras in the pipeline, with the first in the new series potentially being announced in September. The Rumors site claims it has reliable information from two sources who have confirmed the imminent arrival of a C-series of super compact T-mount full-framers, starting with a model dubbed A7C. As per the report, the A7C will have a body similar to Sony's compact APS-C mirrorless line, specifically the A6600. But with the 24.2 MP full-frame sensor of the A7 III under the hood, similar performance to the third-generation A7 camera, and will inherit the fully articulating rear LCD of the A7S III. It's also rumored to come with a pop-up electronic viewfinder found on some of Sony's compact Cybershot RX100 cameras.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly request you please subscribe our YouTube channel Hack Tech for more interesting or tech videos. Thank you for watching.